Hey folks, in this video I will talk about how to add WordMart theme in WordPress. So this is our dashboard. First of all, in dashboard we have to click on appearance. Inside that, click on themes. Please wait for a while. Refreshing the web page. Then these are the default theme from WordPress. This is 2021. This is the active theme right now. You can also activate this theme as well by clicking this one. Like I'm going to activate this theme. This is activated. You can also install or activate another theme by clicking this add new theme. So we are going to add a new theme by clicking add new button. Then we have to click on upload theme button. Then we have to choose our theme file from this button. Then we will choose our theme. This is the woodmart theme. I am going to install this theme right now. The woodmart theme is very popular for creating WooCommerce websites. So I'm going to install this theme. If you need any help from my side, you can email me or directly contact me through my contact us page. I will help you anytime. So it's uploading. It's been 6% uploaded. Yes, installing theme from uploaded file woodmart theme.zip. It's the package could not be installed. The theme is missing style.css. The theme installation failed. So we have to check again, or we are going to upload theme again following the previous steps. Then install now. It's uploading. You can see here 4%. Our theme is going to install again. It's unpackaging the package. Installing theme from uploaded file woodmart.zip. Yes, our theme is installed successfully. Now we have to activate this theme by clicking this button. Yes, our theme is activated. So, in the next video, we will see how to import data. See you.